How to fix the front audio port not working in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when headphones or speakers plugged into the front jack aren't detected. First, right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar. After that, click on Sound Settings. From there, check if your front jack device appears under Output. At this point, if it's not listed, click on More Sound Settings to open the Classic Sound panel instead. In the next step, right-click within the empty space of the Playback tab. Following this, make sure both Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices are checked. Once done, check if your front audio device now appears, even if grayed out. From here, if it shows up, right-click on it and select Enable. At this stage, if it still doesn't appear, open Device Manager instead by right-clicking the Start menu. Keep in mind, expand sound, video, and game controllers, right-click your audio driver and select Update Driver, since outdated drivers are a common cause of front port issues. Finally, restart your computer once the driver updates, then plug your device back into the front port to test if it's detected. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the front audio port not working in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.